what we do is we use flows to create a moment where a group of people can come together, and before the meeting, they can answer the same set of questions that are going to be relevant to that meeting. And then over the course of the meeting, they can actually discuss their answers to that. So add some structure to what that meeting might be. So one of the best places for this is with one-on-ones. So one-on-ones are often highly unstructured, highly spontaneous, highly ad hoc. But what we've done here is we've made one-on-ones a little bit more structured. So you jump in, and prior to the meeting with your manager, you actually answer a set of questions like, here's my top priorities in the moment. How can your manager support you in the short-term and long-term, and your short-term and long-term goals? How confident do you feel that you have the support necessary to do your job? And how engaged are you feeling? We can actually use that to jump into the meeting. And instead of jumping right into small talk or chit chat, we can go straight to whatever the most important thing that was brought up in my actual flow response. It's a great opportunity for managers to prep for meetings. It's a great opportunity for direct reports to stop, pause, and think about really what is it that they want to use that time for. And this same idea then applies to larger meetings than just one-on-ones. So when we're meeting with a team, or we are meeting with a large group, either on an ad hoc basis or on a repeating basis, we want to make sure that once we get in the room, we're talking about the highest priority things. So here's an example of a collaborative meeting agenda amidst the whole product team. So prior to the meeting running, it's actually running later today, we all submit what are our talking points via this flow, which asks us, what do you want to talk about in our product sync? So you throw in a one-sentence summary of whatever topic it is, and then you have the opportunity to, during that meeting, go through each post one by one, highlight the ones that are high priority, have those discussions, and essentially provide that structure and provide that opportunity to get your point across that might be missed if you are running a meeting entirely ad hoc. And we create templates that allow you to do the same. So we have one-on-ones with your direct reports, with your managers, with your peers. No matter who you're meeting with, no matter what audience, we have a flow for you. So these are our set of questions, but as you saw before, once you create this flow, you can jump in and edit it to your needs. There's ways of handling meetings via things like meeting agendas, meeting notes. So a meeting agenda is really just going to ask you, what are your talking points that you want to discuss over the course of that meeting, but you can customize this as well to your needs.